Students, good afternoon. Welcome to your VBPS e-learning computer class. Student, do you know now at this time chapter number 2 is running. In previous class, I also explained virus and antivirus topic. Do you know class? What is the full form of virus? Students, what is the full form of the virus? Full form of virus is vital information resource under siege. Is it clear, class? Today we will understand antivirus tips. Today we will understand antivirus tips. Class, there are many types of antivirus tips. One by one, we will understand each and every tips which has been given in your book. Number 1. Don't assume you are not at risk. It means, class, while antivirus cannot protect against all types of malware when updated antivirus software installed. After installing your system working properly. Again, while antivirus cannot protect against all types of malware or virus, when updated antivirus software we will install in our computer system. After that, our system working properly. Is it clear? Second tips, download only from trusted sources. Download only from trusted sources. It means, class, antivirus software take from known, trusted sources and vendors only. Means we can take antivirus software from known person, trusted sources or vendors only. It is a common play of cyber criminal who pretend to sell antivirus programs. Again, you will understand, we can take antivirus software from trusted sources or trusted vendors only, because it is a common play of cyber criminals who pretend to sell antivirus program. So always registered antivirus we will purchase from authorized center. Third number, keep your software updated. It means, class, firstly we will check which antivirus software is installed in our computer system or in our mobile phone, that is updated or not, and then set update automatically option in our mobile phone or in our computer system. Is it clear? Again, firstly we will check which antivirus software which is installed in our computer system or in our mobile phone, that antivirus software is updated or not, and always we can set update automatically option. Number 4, don't delay updates. Means, class, it means time to time we will check our antivirus software is updated or not. It means time to time we will check our antivirus software that is updated or not. If not updated, without delaying, we will update our antivirus software. Means always weekly or 2 or 3 days or monthly we will check our antivirus software is updated or not. When we are checking our antivirus software, on that time if we will find that is not updated, without delaying we will update our antivirus software. Is it clear? Next, number 5. Number 5 is scan additional devices. Is it clear, class? Scan additional devices. It means make sure our antivirus software automatically scans portable devices. Here spelling mistake. Portable, not portable devices such as USB when we plug them into our computer system. Understood? USB means USB port which we are using for plugging in CPU, like mouse we can connect through this USB, we can connect our keyboard through USB, printer, scanner, means all types of devices which we can attach by USB port. So full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. So class, again I am repeating, make sure our antivirus software automatically scans portable devices like USB. USB when we plug them into our computer system, on that time can be scanned by the antivirus software. Is it clear? Number 6. Track warning and alerts. Track warnings and alerts. Many times we are observing on the screen warnings and alert messages generated by antivirus softwares. Many times, students, we are observing on the screen warnings and alert messages which is generated by the antivirus software. So by antivirus we can take the message of alertness and warnings. Is it clear? Number 7. Number 7 is don't disable the software. Don't disable the software. It means, class, we cannot disable the security software, means antivirus, because disabling our antivirus will expose our computer to unnecessary risk. Means when we are disabling our security software, means antivirus, on such condition our computer will make unnecessary risk. Is it clear? Number 8. Number 8. Install one program only. This is the last tip of the antivirus which is given in our book. Install one programs only. Class, do not install multiple antivirus programs on our computer system at the same time. At the same time. Means at a time only one antivirus software we will install in our computer system. So we can say do not install multiple antivirus programs in our computer system at the same time. If we are installing multiple antivirus in our computer system, our computer with less protection instead of this. Means single antivirus is more powerful comparison to multiple antivirus that is installed in our computer system. Is it clear? Class, tomorrow I will explain latest trends in computer technology. Tomorrow I will explain latest trends in computer technology. Is it clear? Now your class is over.